Do you know why I say so? It's you that will make your marriage sweet. If you can be able to close your mouth when you are in a marriage, you see that marriage, you will enjoy it to the fullest. Enjoy that marriage to the fullest. Husband, if you like, make your husband fine for face, maybe in character ugly. Now you go put your husband, make in character suit your own. Not to say, he's wicked. He doesn't take care of me. He used to go outside. He has side chick. Where he get one girl, where they always call. You understand? Because of that, my husband is not taking care of me. It's you. Or you say, I don't know why my husband is looking outside. At times, that guy is looking outside based on say that girl they dressed well. I don't blame man say you're not giving your wife money, say make him take care of. No. Everything no be to blame man. We girls now want to talk about